Everyone has a can of WD-40, but 90% of drivers are only using about 10% of what it can really do. In the garage, mechanics have all kinds of secret tricks with WD-40 to save jobs that look like they'd require towing the car into a shop. Flooded engines, dead spark plugs, corroded battery terminals, and bolts that have been seized for years. What's interesting is that these tricks are quick, cheap, and effective, yet rarely talked about. Today, you're going to learn the most practical, easy-to-apply uses that can genuinely save you hundreds of dollars in repair bills. Take 3 seconds to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the latest videos. One, protecting electrical connectors and sensors. Electrical connectors and sensors in the engine bay seem small, but just a little moisture sneaking inside can cause a bunch of annoying random errors. Even a thin layer of oxidation on the pins is enough to trigger warning lights, mild engine vibration, or uneven throttle response. Many people rush to replace sensors when the real issue is simply poor contact caused by moisture buildup. Fixing it is surprisingly simple. Unplug the connector, spray a very light coat of WD-40 inside, then wait a few seconds for the solution to push out the moisture and coat the metal with an anti-oxidation film. Once you plug it back in, the signal becomes noticeably more stable. Doing this every few months prevents most ghost sensor errors, saves you diagnostic fees, and keeps you from making unnecessary trips to the shop for problems you can easily handle at home. 2. Removing sticker adhesive. Removing sticker residue sounds easy, but it's one of the most frustrating parts of car care. You peel the sticker off, only to reveal the real problem, a smeared, sticky gray mess that smudges when you wipe it, scratches if you scrub too hard, and collects dust until your car looks like it just came off a construction site. Many people try scraping with a fingernail or rubbing with a wet towel, but that usually just spreads the mess around. The quickest method is to spray a layer of WD-40 directly onto the adhesive, wait 20-30 seconds for the solution to soften the residue, then wipe it with a microfiber towel. The adhesive breaks down immediately and slides off the surface like it was melted from the inside. No heavy scrubbing required. For old, stubborn spots or residue around window edges, just repeat once more and it comes off clean. This is exactly what mechanics do before returning a car to the owner. It's fast, safe for paint and glass, and it doesn't leave dull streaks behind. 3. Preventing brake rotor rust after washing the car. After washing your car, especially if you spray hard into the wheel wells, you'll often see a thin, orange layer of rust on the brake rotors the next morning. This is flash rust, and it forms within hours when bare metal meets moisture. It's not immediately dangerous, but if left repeatedly, it leads to squeaking, slight brake vibration, and faster rotor wear. Many drivers assume the brakes are failing and end up wasting money on unnecessary inspections. The simplest fix is to spray a very light coat of WD-40 on the rotor surface right after washing and drying the car. No need to soak it. Just a light mist is enough to push out leftover moisture and create a temporary barrier against oxidation. Spin the wheel a few times so the product spreads evenly, then wipe any excess around the outer edge if needed. 4. Preventing battery terminal corrosion. Battery terminal corrosion is one of the most overlooked issues, yet it causes a long list of annoying problems. Weak starts, flickering lights, and even sudden power drops while driving. That crusty, ocean green buildup around the terminals isn't just ugly. It restricts electrical flow and forces the entire electrical system to work harder every time you start the engine. Over time, combined with engine bay humidity, the corrosion spreads down the cables, damages the insulation, and increases the risk of internal wire failure. Instead of waiting until the car won't start, you can prevent it early. Just remove the terminals, spray WD-40 directly on the corroded area. Wait a few seconds for it to break down the salt-like deposits, then wipe everything clean. After that, Spray a light protective layer to block moisture and acidic vapors coming from the battery. 5. Loosening stuck bolts without using heat. A seized bolt is a nightmare for anyone who likes working on their own car. The harder you try to turn it, the more stubborn it gets. Add extra force and you'll hear that scary creaking sound that tells you the threads are about to strip. The most common cause is rust that has crept deep into the threads over many years, bonding the two metal surfaces together like a cold weld. Many people immediately grab a torch to heat it up, but that can easily warp surrounding parts, burn rubber components, or even crack the surface if the heat spreads unevenly. A much safer and more effective solution is to use WD-40. Just spray directly onto the threaded area and let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. WD-40 seeps into the tiny gaps and breaks down the rust from the inside instead of simply lubricating the outer surface like regular oil. 6. Preventing frozen locks and doors from getting stuck. On freezing days, all it takes is one cold night for your morning to start with a door that won't budge, a lock that won't turn, and a handle that feels glued in place. The reason is simple. Moisture trapped inside the lock cylinder and along the rubber seals freezes solid, turning the whole mechanism into a little block of ice. Many people yank the handle hard or pour hot water over it, and that's exactly when the rubber tears, the paint cracks, or the lock bends out of shape, leading to repairs you never intended to pay for. A softer and much safer method is to use WD-40. Lightly spray into the lock and along the door seals, then wait a few seconds for the solution to penetrate. WD-40 helps break up the thin layer of ice and pushes moisture out. On rubber seals, its protective film also reduces water buildup, preventing the same freezing problem the next day. Comment 1 and like the video if you find this tip helpful. 7. Eliminating dashboard and interior creaking noises. Clicking noises in the dashboard or those annoying plastic creaks inside the cabin can drive any driver crazy, especially on rough roads or during hot weather when plastic expands. The more you try to pinpoint the source, the more the noise disappears, only to come back once you've given up. In reality, most of these sounds come from plastic panels rubbing against each other or from dried out clips that have hardened over time. The fix is much simpler than you think. Take a microfiber towel, spray a bit of WD-40 onto the towel, not directly on the dashboard, and gently wipe along the seams where the plastic panels meet, around the air vents, and any spots that feel loose. WD-40 leaves a thin film that reduces friction, preventing the plastic pieces from rubbing against each other when the car vibrates. In just a few minutes, the cabin becomes silent, making long drives noticeably more pleasant. 8. Freeing a stuck gas cap. A stuck gas cap is something many drivers experience without understanding why. You twist it over and over, but it refuses to move, almost like it's glued in place, sometimes with an irritating cracking sound. The usual cause is a combination of fuel vapors, road dust, and moisture forming a thin layer of oxidation on the threads and rubber seal. Every time you open and close it, the residue compresses even tighter. Eventually, if you force it too hard, the cap can crack. Or worse, the rubber seal can tear, triggering evap system error codes. The fix is quick. Remove the cap, spray a light coat of WD-40 onto the threads and rubber seal, give it a few seconds to break down the residue, and wipe it clean with a cloth. After just one treatment, the cap will twist much more smoothly without that stuck feeling. The moisture-blocking film WD-40 leaves behind also helps prevent oxidation from forming again, especially useful for cars refueled outdoors or in humid climates. Cleaning and protecting the engine bay. The engine bay gets dirty faster than any other part of the car, yet most people are afraid to touch it because they worry about hitting the wrong wire or damaging a sensor. Over time, dust, oil residue, and moisture build up around the components, making the bay look old and sometimes even causing unpleasant smells when the AC is running. Beyond appearance, This grime traps moisture, encourages oxidation, and makes electrical connectors more prone to intermittent contact. The longer you leave it, the faster the engine heats up and the quicker the plastic parts age. The gentlest way to clean it is to wipe the surface dust with a damp cloth, then spray a light coat of WD-40 on the engine cover, plastic trims, hoses, and metal surfaces. Wipe it down with a microfiber towel, and you'll see the entire engine bay look noticeably brighter. 10. Silencing door hinge noise. That squeaky creak every time you open a door may sound small, but it makes the car feel like it's been neglected for years. Most of the time, the hinge isn't damaged. It's simply dust, moisture, and a bit of rust clinging to the moving joints. When the metal surface becomes too dry, each door movement causes the hinge plates to scrape against each other, creating a loud, sharp sound that gets worse over time and can even wear the hinge out faster. Many people try dripping motor oil on it, but thick oil attracts dust, and the noise often returns within weeks. The cleanest solution is to use WD-40 with the straw nozzle. Just spray a small amount directly at the hinge pivot, then open and close the door a few times to let it penetrate deep inside. Within seconds, the noise disappears completely, and the hinge moves smoothly like new. The protective layer from WD-40 also repels moisture and prevents rust from forming again, especially useful during rainy seasons or for cars parked outdoors. 11. Conditioning and restoring rubber seals. The rubber seals around the doors, trunk, and windows are crucial for keeping the cabin quiet, watertight, and free from wind noise. But after years of heat, dust, and fuel vapors, the seals start to dry out, harden, crack slightly, and lose their elasticity. You'll notice the doors sound thumpy instead of soft when closing. Rainwater creeps into the edges, and in cold weather, the seals stick together and make an annoying squeal when opening the door. Many people think they need to replace the entire set, but in reality, proper conditioning makes a huge difference. Just spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a soft cloth, not directly onto the seal, and wipe evenly along the entire length. This prevents excess solution from pooling. WD-40 absorbs into the rubber, softening the material and restoring its flexibility. After a few minutes, the seal becomes slightly glossy, softer to the touch, and no longer sticks when opening or closing the door. 12. Polishing chrome. Chrome looks luxurious on a car, but just a few rainy days, some road dust, or winter road salt is enough to dull the surface, create tiny rust specks, and kill its shine. Leave it long enough and the oxidation spreads, making the surface feel rough and giving the car a constantly dirty look. Many people try fine sandpaper or toothpaste to scrub it, but that only micro-scratches the chrome and speeds up its deterioration. A gentler and much more effective method is to use WD-40. Spray a moderate amount onto the chrome, whether it's door sills, window trim, exhaust tips, or the emblem. Then wipe in circular motions with a microfiber cloth. WD-40 softens the oxidized layer, dissolves the grime, and brings out a naturally deep shine. Light rust spots disappear after just a few wipes. Even better, the solution leaves a moisture-resistant coating that slows down future dulling, especially helpful for cars parked outdoors or driven on salted roads. 13. Cleaning rusty license plate screws and edges. License plate screws and the metal edges around them are some of the fastest rusting spots on a car, especially if you often wash the car with a pressure washer or live in a humid or coastal area. It usually starts as a few tiny brown specks, but if you leave it alone, they spread into patches that make the car look dirty even right after a wash. Worse, when you need to remove the plate for inspection or to switch plates, the screws can seize, and twisting them causes the heads to snap. At that point, you'll have to drill them out and retap the threads, a hassle that also ruins the clean look of the mounting area. The quick fix is to spray WD-40 directly onto the screw heads and the plate edges, letting it sit for a few minutes to break down the rust that's been building up. Then, use a cloth or a soft bristle brush to scrub lightly. The rust will come off surprisingly easily without needing force. The plate edges, which usually stain and discolor, will brighten up again and look noticeably cleaner. Finally, spray a thin layer of WD-40 to form a moisture barrier, so the screws don't rust again. 49. Bringing a dead spark plug back to life. When a spark plug dies, most people immediately assume the battery is weak or a sensor has failed. But in my garage, I've seen many cases where the real culprit was simply moisture seeping into the spark plug well. After a rainstorm, washing the engine bay, or during humid weather, water can pool around the plug and coil, causing the spark to weaken. The symptoms mimic serious issues: no start, misfiring, shaking engine, and even random error codes. Many drivers panic, call a tow truck, and end up with a triple-digit diagnostic bill for what is actually a simple moisture problem. The fix is surprisingly fast. Remove the ignition coil and spray WD-40 into the spark plug well and around the contact area. The solution pushes out water, moisture, and tiny white corrosion spots on the metal. Wait less than a minute, reinstall the coil, and start the engine. In most cases, it fires up immediately, running smoothly as if nothing ever happened. For cars driven in humid climates, or for those who wash the engine bay regularly, doing this once a month helps prevent misfires and extends the lifespan of both the spark plug and coil, avoiding those annoying dead engine at the worst time situations. 15. Shining and protecting your wheels. Wheels get dirty faster than nearly any other part of the car because they collect brake dust, road grime, and oily residue from underneath the vehicle. After just a few days of driving, they already look dull and gray, and a quick wash rarely cleans them completely, especially in the tight gaps between spokes. Brake dust left on too long can eat into the wheel surface, creating stubborn black streaks and fading the finish. A much simpler and safer option is to use WD-40 after washing and drying the wheels. Spray a light coat over the surface, then use a microfiber towel to wipe every corner and crevice. The WD-40 film instantly brings back a glossy shine, hides minor discoloration, and makes the wheel look deep cleaned. More importantly, it forms a layer that repels moisture and prevents brake dust from sticking, making the next wash much easier. For cars driven in urban areas, doing this once a week keeps the wheels looking polished without needing expensive wheel cleaning products. These simple tricks might seem small, but they help your car stay stable in the long run, prevent a wide range of annoying issues, and significantly reduce repair costs over time. When parts like seals, hinges, connectors, and wheels are properly protected, the entire vehicle becomes more durable, more refined, and better at holding its value. With just a bit of attention in the right places, you'll notice a real difference every time you get behind the wheel. Did this video help you out? Hit subscribe and help us reach 30,000 subscribers.